Welcome to JUKI here on the Univertools booth. I'm delighted to be joined by José Carlos Rodríguez.
Is correct.
That's correct. Okay, and then to my left I have Andrés Luna from Univertools. Okay, great. So welcome, gentlemen. Nice to see you. So we'll start with you, José.
Yes.
Let's give us an idea of what the footprint is of JUKI machines here in Mexico. What's the installed base, and what sort of machines are you typically selling down here?
Yes, we have a long time working in Mexico. We have a good presence in all Mexico. Mm-hmm. In the past, we started in the border areas only, but with the time, we have many years working very hard, and we introduced many equipment in all the country in Mexico. Mm-hmm. We have at the same time machine in Argentina, Brazil, and all the world. Okay. But in this moment, we have a very, very good results with a new technology in JUKI. Mm-hmm. The name in Mexico is a material tower. We are working for automate big corporates in Mexico. Yep. with our solution. The result very good because we have a very, very, very good solution. And the more important point is the solution is 100 autonomous. We don't need operator, we don't need people for move the material in this moment in the corporate.
Right.
This is a very, very good advantage for the customer because after the pandemic season, companies have many problems. Was necessary use more people, use more time for complete training with the people. Mm-hmm. Now with this solution, we can improve the process in the material handling.
Yes, and you know it becomes more important because with all the problems in the supply chain with component shortages. Yes, it became more important to know exactly what inventory you had and be able to control that. Yeah.
That's correct. You are right.
Yeah.
This solution is very important now because the parts, ICs, resistor, capacitor, have many problems for supply this type of components in the companies. Okay. Now it's very important because you can save money. We can keep running the lines because you have all the material ready for produce.
Okay. So, Andre, if I can turn to you for a moment. You are the president of Univertools. So you help to support the sales efforts down here in Mexico for JUKI. Yes. So tell us a little bit about Univertools and what your footprint is down here.
Yeah, well, Univertools is a company focused on provide solutions to our customers, looking for different alternatives to solve any kind of challenges on the production lines. We had been on the market for 15 years now and providing all these solutions, let's say, to our customers.
But your activity here with JUKI is principally on the sales front?
Yes, we are the sales representative from JUKI. We have been in the market for many years, as I mentioned, working together with JUKI.
So coming back to you, Jose, I mean, what about the service infrastructure here? Because that's obviously critical.
Yes. This is a very important point.
You need to speak.
This is a very important point. We have a complete group for support all our customers. We have many people in the border area. We have another people in the Mexico Center. And we have the correct people for support every day, all the customers in Mexico. Yes. We have a phone support 24 hours by phone. And we have another option for use one line from United States for receive support in the same time. Finally, all the time, the customer is receiving support from JUKI.
Right. What about training for when you're bringing people in for new operators?
Yeah, we have a full calendar every year, and every year we have many dates in the year for different type of equipment. The training is in United States. The cost for the customer is zero. Customer only need pay expenses, but no need pay nothing to JUKI.
Right. Excellent. Okay.
We have option for Spanish too, because sometimes it's a little difficult for some technicians receive the training in English, and we provide training in Spanish too.
Yeah, makes a lot of sense. Yeah. So, what do you call it, Andre? What was the last? Okay. turning the cameras, okay. Yeah, so Andre, looking at the different markets you're selling into down here, is it a lot of the companies seem to be very active in the automotive side? Is that where you're finding most of the business at the moment?
Yeah, well, the automotive industry is growing, as everybody knows. With this new environmental on the electronic market, which is showing that many production of different goods than the automotive are arriving to Mexico, it is bringing a lot of challenges to the contract manufacturers and the companies here in Mexico to be in front of all this, let's say, growing. There are a lot of needs in matter of land for to install production lines, and people with knowledge and good skills to provide the solution and skills for the production.
Well, I think it's a problem the world over. You know, finding skilled workers.
Yes.
So anyway, it's a fast-growing area. I'm glad to see that you're part of it, and I want to thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.